Hi guys, welcome to Morgan Christine. Sorry I've been away. I did want to talk a little bit in this video. It's not a long video, it's about like 12 minutes long. But I'm sorry I've been away for probably about a month and a half, if that. We did move. If you guys want to see that video, I'll put like a link below of our new house. I will also do a home tour very soon. Not yet, because I still want to work on a couple things. But I just had the kitchen and dining room to do. I'm just washing a bunch of dishes. I had 2 sinks full that needed to be done. My fiance at this time was actually went and done laundry. So we were kind of busy. But yeah, sorry about that pan. If you guys are noticing it, it's stained, burnt, whatever. It's still workable. Um, but I was also wondering, questions. If you guys have Instagram, you can check me out. It's morgan.christine, or I will have it linked below for you guys. Also, if you guys have me on Facebook page, let me know. I usually post on there. Also, what's in that bottle that I'm spraying on our oven is just some Mr. Clean, it's called. It's in a big jug. It really does justice with our white stove. I'm just using a scratcher pad to scrub it. I am thinking about different series. I'm just going to let you guys know that starting probably on this one, this will be the first of for my series. But the series is like fall related, so cleaning, fall cleaning, maybe some decorating here and there. Also some cooking and baking. It's also going to be in the series. It's just a fall series of motivation. We all need it, especially right now with everything going on. And I hope you guys are definitely subscribed to my channel to see more of like things. I love watching cleaning videos because it gets me motivated. I don't know if I've ever told you guys, but I do suffer from anxiety. It's a tough, road, especially being a young mom, but also I'm engaged, and it's just a lot of work. I'm just cleaning around our little like microwave thing, microwave toaster. Same difference, huh? Yes, and you guys are going to see me moving around the tripod because I like that. It gets to me the real life kind of feel. And I did shorten the video because it was over 20 minutes long. And I don't really want to put up too big of a videos, so you guys aren't too bored. And I did have to scrub. If you guys are wondering what's on my countertop, I accidentally with glued some fabric on there, sadly, and I need to scrape it off or use some type of like Goo Gone to get it off. And also, if you're wondering what my plants are, the big one that's close to the paper towel holder is cilantro, and oh, it smells delicious. It's growing. The one in the white container by the sink, like the sink, type thing, is I think it's a cilantro too, but it's a different one than the other. And the one that's in the brown holder is actually green onions. You guys might see that in a minute. I just use that Mr. Clean spray, baking soda, and vinegar down my drain, and a little bit of dish soap. And that's all I really use to clean my sink out. And I use that scrubber and it gets it super clean. I scrub my sink once a day, sometimes twice, depending on how much I, cook during the day or even bake, because that can get quite messy. And the sponge I am using is a Mr. Clean, I think, sponge or something, but it works really well. It holds like soap and water really good. And my little soap dispenser is like not my soap dispenser, my sponge holder is from Dollar Tree. They have little plastic ones. And yes, I do use Windex in my sink because I just think it shines it up. I learned that trick. Kristen's Chaotic Life, I think that's how you say it. Sorry if I mispronounced that. I'll link her name down in the description because I can't remember how you say it. I think it's Kristen's Chaotic Life. She's a mom to 5 kids, and I love that method. I use that method a lot. I'm just cleaning the front of the stove. It gets really dirty just from everyday use. And I just make sure it's completely cleaned. In the little crack that you see where I'm wiping at now, oh, I hate that. It gets food in between of there. I need to get a Q-tip and clean it. As you can see, okay. Also, I'm just showing a little haul type deal for you guys. I went to Dollar Tree yesterday and got oven cleaner, dish soap, toilet bowl cleaner, some Fabuloso, some fabric refreshener. And I'm just putting that in the living room because it's going to go upstairs. And I'm actually using Fabuloso now in that bottle. And that is a toasted marshmallows from Dollar Tree. And oh, you guys, go check that out. It smells delicious. I'm just scrubbing the table now. This table is like an antique. It's just really old. And it needs sometimes a really, really good scrubbing. And I like using paper towels in the kitchen and dining room just because it's sanitary. We eat at the table. And I don't like spreading the nastiness with our clothes or anything. That's just like with our toilet. I have used microfiber cloths in the past when we couldn't get paper towels. If you're wondering where my shirt is from, the flannel I have on, I believe I got it at Salvation Army of all things. I love it. It's so fall, and that's why I kind of made it where this is a fall clean with me. Because finally bringing out my flannels. It's still hot out in Ohio. And I'm just sweeping the floors now. They really needed a good sweeping. Having a kid, but also my fiance, he's a man. Come on. Everybody makes a mess. So do I. Or it comes in from the outside. And I know I need new curtain rods. I am working on finding new ones. I went all black curtain rods. If you guys have a good one for you, let me know.